Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to dodge in Tears of the Kingdom. First, you'll want to lock onto your enemy by holding the ZL button. Then, as an attack comes your way, press the X button while moving the left analog stick. This action will make Link perform a quick side hop or backflip, helping you effectively avoid incoming damage. Mastering this fundamental movement is key to setting yourself up for powerful counterattacks and dominating combat encounters. There are two primary types of dodges you'll use, the side hop and the backflip. For a side hop, hold ZL, then press X and move the left stick either left or right. This maneuver is ideal for skillfully avoiding vertical attacks from enemies. To execute a backflip, hold ZL, press X, and move the left stick down. This specific move is perfect for gracefully dodging wide, horizontal swings, keeping Link safe from harm. The ultimate goal is to perform a perfect dodge. This happens when you time your dodge precisely as an enemy's attack is about to connect. If successful, time will dramatically slow down, initiating a flurry rush. During this brief window, repeatedly press the Y button to unleash a series of powerful, uninterrupted attacks on your foe. This technique is vital for dealing significant damage. Mastering the dodge takes practice, but it's incredibly rewarding. Pay close attention to enemy attack animations to predict whether to side hop or backflip. The Kyonanis Shrine is a fantastic place to hone your skills, offering a dedicated combat tutorial to guide you. With enough practice, you'll be dodging and performing flurry rushes like a true hero of Hyrule, enhancing your overall combat prowess.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.